Welcome, here I've got REALME C21 and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera watermark at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. From here let's go to the right corner. When we pick this button we get access to more options about the camera we can manage. Now let's pick these settings from the right to open the advanced camera settings. And in the photo category at the last position now we have the watermark, so let's tap here. Now we can add the phone model watermark to our picture and also the date and time. By using the buttons from the right we can easily turn them on and off. As you can see, we can add just one of this or both at the same time. So let me keep this turned on. Let's move back to the camera to take the picture to see these watermarks at the real one. Now let's move to the left to this button that follows us straight to the gallery. And this is our picture with watermarks at the bottom. Let's get closer to this. From the left we have REALME Auto Intelligent Triple Camera shot on REALME C21, and from the right we have the date and time. And of course when we don't need them we can go back to the camera, then to the right corner, pick these settings from the right, tap to the watermark and turn them off. So now when we take another picture the watermarks should be not visible at it. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.